I want to show you something. So growing pumpkins, right? Growing pumpkins from old pumpkins that were thrown out. So every fall we have a fall welcome to fall y'all bash, and with that welcome to fall y'all bash, when we're done with our fall pumpkins, we usually kind of, you know, throw them away. But this year we said, let's go sit them on the side over here. And so when we set them on the side out of the way, they start drying up. And as they start drying up, now it's October, November, December, January, February, March, April, May. 7 months later, take a look at what we see. Let me show you where we threw our old pumpkins from Halloween. We threw them right over here. And so here's the old pumpkins. There's 4 pumpkins. But take a look at this. Look at that. Look at that. All these pumpkins. We were at the compost place, and they had a ton of pumpkins just growing in the compost. It was like, did you plant them? They was like, no, the city just comes and throw their old pumpkins out, and they just grow. I mean, they had a ton. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to go ahead and grab some compost, throw on top of here. Look at that. Nothing but seeds. At least one of them got to grow. Like I'm saying, I was just over here throwing some sand. Okay, we're going to check it out. We'll keep you all updated. Let me go ahead and dump this sand. I'm just going to dump it on there, whether it grows or not. But I'm going to go get some compost real quick. Look at all those seeds. We already have a whole bunch of pumpkin seeds. Look at that. We'll finish that. So I'm going to use this compost. There's a little left up in there. Got a little rolling. Drop some in here. This should be enough, because typically when you plant, you only plant up to 1 inch. But then if you look at the package, sometimes they say only to a depth of a 1/4 inch or 1/2 inch. So this is more than enough. All right, let's take it over there. I need to take this with me. No tripod, so I'm using my hand and my other hand, because I got 2 hands, y'all. Back in the cut. Back in the cut. Okay. Just a random slab. I am. I'm excited to see. I need to just pour it on there. Let me just these open. Just gonna pour them on there. Sorry, you all. Yeah, my fingers in the way. How do you all do this? Okay, this is gonna work. I'm clearly not that good at multitasking. I'm gonna let y'all know if this will grow. If 1 or 2 of that, that's all I'm looking for. Now I can pick it up. Thought I could pick it up. Now I want to go water it too. I can tell you on that. Find a little shortcut in this fence. The only thing about the area that I just found these pumpkin seeds, the only thing is it's undercover. And so 1, I'm not gonna get much water. 2, it's in the shade. And so if any of these catch root, when we throw our pumpkins out next year, I'm gonna throw them in the other side. Because, oops, okay, that's slipped. And clearly, that one has sand, so I'll see. And I'm gonna leave this bucket somewhere close. All right, you all. All right, there you have it. There you have it. Check back with us and let's see what those pumpkins are doing in